Yo, what's the deal? So now I couldn't afford my plane ticket back, so now I gotta roll with Eastman. I drive back to LA, but before we leave, we're stopping at Freddy's shop. We gonna see what they're gonna do today. We gonna get it cracking or what, perro?
Bro, I'm stuck with you for like 30 hours, bro.
Always, oh my god, this shit packed. Sheesh. Sheesh, this shit is packed. I'm gonna do some work. Aguas, perro, te vas a lastimar más.
Porque no sabes para acá, para acá está bien. Who the fuck are you, pendejo?
Camina bien, estúpido.
This the clown with the hair like that?
Shut up, fucking bowleg.
So, nigga? Why you tripping?
Don't trip, I'll carry you, baby. That plate from Jalisco, bro. Dijiste que trae la transmisión, perro.
No fue mi culpa, güey.
All right, next. God damn.
Esa se aguantó, no como la
Look at the fucking.
Órale, pues.
La policía, güey, vamos a pegar todo.
We got my boy Victor, my brother. We got the homie Danny, came from Chicago, boy. Wild shopping, boy. Cute ass boy. And my boy Isma over here taking me to a romantic view, perro.
Tour, my boy.
I don't know where we at, but we somewhere.
I'm gonna get you a little room back there right now. Watch, you don't see it.
Do you guys know where this is at? Leave a comment if y'all been here. You wanna take me to those rooms?
I'm gonna take you to the rooms, baby. And we're gonna make love inside and on the balcony.
I feel like we're in fucking camp.
We're gonna get the small one so you won't run away from me.
Yo, my boy, this shit not a boat.
Bro, is that a boat?
We can make it into a boat.
Should we go in the water?
I don't know. You don't get stuck.
So I just put it in the water.
I don't care. Let's do it.
I want to be like whistling Diesel, bro.
How deep is this shit?
That shit deep. Let's go. Hey, Luis's park is badass, huh?
Shit, real nice, bro. Shit's beautiful out here.
I brought you out here, bro. You like it?
Yeah.
Sure.
Aquí se aflojo, güey.
So you still let me cheat?
A huevo.
Extreme off-road, guys. This is the marina side, as they call it. You can put your boats in there, jet skis, lo que sea, y en otro lado, you put the off-road vehicles, water.
Nos robamos esas jet skis o qué a la verga, güey.
Parts y todo el desmadre.
Yo, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. It's the next day. So we finished eating with the guys. Now, so we can't pick up these trucks because we left them here. Where are we at?
Extreme off-road, my boy.
Extreme off-road, my boy. And we're back at the shop. We're gonna get this trailer fixed because they broke off the lights on this. No vas a chocar, pendejo. So there wasn't much going on right here at the shop. Just have all the trucks. But right now, they're doing a little commercial for the giveaway right there. You got a little behind the scenes.
How many ways did you send for? Okay. Yeah, here we want to record with? Alright guys, this is the last week to enter for this giveaway. We were only doing stickers at the time, but now we're gonna be doing shirts too. So every shirt you buy or sweaters gives you 10 entries, and the stickers can give you 20 entries. So get your entries in.
Get 2 inches, guys.
I need multiple.
Bro, we didn't do it twice, bro. I'm
Damn,
learning.
bro.
I'm getting better now, huh?
The Project Torquay.
No voy a acabar antes de tu soporte. Ahora, compadre, va a tener que venir mañana.
I know many of you seen that Freddy got a new fabrication guy, Junior. JR Fabrication. Check out his fucking Jeep, yo. Sheesh. Size on this big bad boy right here. I don't think we're leaving today, yo. They're not gonna finish the bracket on that. They're not finishing the bracket on the trailer anymore since they had to do a little commercial break. And it's Tuesday, and I'm about to get fired. Nah, it's cool. But today is Tuesday. I'm trying to get back home so I can go to work. But we're gonna see what happens. So I seen Freddy had a bunch of decals on here, so I had to slap ours on here. This one, and that hoe. Jeez. So before we head out, I blessed Mr. Mechanic with a decal right there. Blessed him with another one on his dually. Sheesh. You know, that's the homie. They got down. They finally fixed the bracket on it. You know, JR killed it. God damn, boy.
Hello.
Hey. Well, it's a wrap, my guys. We're done for this weekend. Time to go home. Thank you to everyone in Houston that showed love. We're out of here. Sheesh. Ya estuvo, mi Vargas. Ahí nos vemos. Yeah. All right, before we head out, we stopped at Whataburger one more time. So we tried a new burger. Well, I tried a new burger because he's had it before. It's called the Sweet and spicy with some jalapenos.
That was fire.
And I gotta say, this shit is delicious.
That was good. That was good. It's fire.
This burger is good. I'm not gonna lie anymore. Good.
Also, you were lying. The first time you were saying that they were not good to you, so I'm not gonna lie anymore. So they were good since the beginning.
Oh shit, that came out wrong. That's it. No, I'm not gonna lie now. Wait. Oh damn, that what the?
So you were lying.
Nah.
No?
No, the burger is good. These fries are delicious. I'll give the burger a 6 out of 10.
No, I give it like a 9 out of 10.
I give the burger a 6. Nah, I like a 7. High 7. But In-N-Out is a 8. Alright, now we're done with this trip. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.